So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer Namecheap domain to Hostinger. So firstly, log into your Namecheap account. Open your domain list, then find the domain you want to transfer. Now all you have to do is click Manage. Now, open Sharing and Transfer. Then scroll to Transfer Out and request your auth or EPP code. Choose your reason for transferring and click Send Code. The EPP code will send to the registrant's email's address. And in Hostinger, all you have to do now is start the domain transfer process and enter your domain name and EPP code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. And that's it, your Namecheap domain can now be transferred to Hostinger easily. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.